Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Physics Infinity. Our today's article is a complex form of Fourier series. Let fx satisfies the Dirichlet conditions and be periodic in interval minus pi to pi. Now its Fourier series will be f of x is equal to a naught plus summation n1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. Say this is in equation number 1. Now using this formula, exponential iota a is equal to cos of a plus iota sin of a. We can derive the values of cos of a and sin of a. Here, the value of cos of a is equal to exponential iota a plus exponential minus iota a upon 2, and the value of sin a will be equal to exponential iota a minus exponential minus iota a upon 2 iota. So using these values here, we can get the values of cos nx and sin nx जो जिनका यूज हमें यहाँ पर करना है. So the cos nx will be equal to exponential iota nx plus exponential minus iota nx upon 2, and sin nx is equal to exponential iota nx minus exponential minus iota nx upon 2 iota. Using these values in this equation number 1, we get fx is equal to a naught as it is plus summation n1 to infinity an into the value of cos nx from here exponential iota nx plus exponential minus iota nx upon 2 plus bn as it is, and the value of sin nx from here exponential iota nx minus exponential minus iota nx upon 2 iota. Now this a naught as it is and the summation as it is, we are going to solve this term. From here we get this exponential iota nx and exponential iota nx common, we get an upon 2, यहाँ से bn upon 2 iota. We are going to take this iota in the numerator. For that we will multiply by iota and divide by iota. Therefore here we will have iota square, and iota square is equal to minus of 1. Therefore we will get here minus bn upon 2 into iota. So when we are taking this exponential iota nx from these two terms common, we get an minus iota bn upon 2 as it is plus exponential minus iota nx exponential minus iota nx को हम लोग कॉमन लेते हैं. यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा an अपॉन 2, दिस an अपॉन 2, यहाँ से माइनस आयोटा bn अपॉन 2, एक माइनस ही होगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस, दैट इज प्लस आयोटा bn अपॉन 2. ओके, let us suppose this a naught to be equal to c naught. This term an minus iota bn upon 2, इसका कोफिशिएंट है एक्सपोनेंशियल आयोटा nx का. So let this term be equal to cn and this term an plus iota bn upon 2. This is the coefficient of exponential minus iota nx. So therefore let this term be equal to c of minus n. Here n can vary from 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is only the positive values here. Therefore, using these terms, this equation number 1 can be written as f of x is equal to c naught in place of a naught plus summation n1 to infinity, इसकी जगह पर cn exponential iota nx plus this term c minus n into exponential minus iota nx. Here we see the value of cn from 1 to infinity, c 0, that is n is equal to 0. Here c of minus n where n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is the value of n varies from minus infinity to plus infinity. For by combining all these three terms in a single term, cn exponential iota nx. This is the complex form of Fourier series for a function fx in interval minus pi to pi. Okay, where the cn is the complex Fourier coefficient. Now to evaluate this cn, we consider two integrals. The first integral is 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi f of x exponential minus iota nx dx. That is, we are multiplying the function by exponential minus iota nx and then integrating it. Now we can expand this exponential minus iota nx in terms of cos x and sin x, cos theta and sin theta. This will be equal to cos nx minus iota sin nx. Now this integration 1 upon pi, only 1 upon pi, integration minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. This is equal to an, and 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx sin nx dx. This is equal to bn minus iota from here as it is. So 1 upon 2 is also here. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 an minus iota bn. This is equal to what? Here we have assumed this is equal to Cn. Therefore, we get the value of Cn to be equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi fx exponential minus iota nx dx. Similarly, we consider one more integral 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi fx exponential iota nx. Now, expanding this exponential term, cos nx plus iota sin nx. Now again this integration 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx cos nx dx. This is equal to an 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi fx into sin nx. This is equal to bn, and we get 1 upon 2 an plus iota bn. This is equal to c of minus n. Here we get the value of c of minus n. One more integral 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi fx exponential iota 0x, that is n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0, exponential 0 is equal to 1, and this is equal to what? A naught, that is the value of c naught. This way we get the values of c naught, c of minus and c of n. Combining all the integrals, we get cn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi f of x exponential minus iota nx dx. Here the n is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on. Or cn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus pi to pi f of v exponential minus iota nv dv. Using these equations, this term in equation number 2, this is our equation number 2. Here we get fx is equal to summation n minus infinity to plus infinity into 1 upon 2 pi, this term as it is, minus pi to pi f of v exponential minus iota nv dv into this exponential iota nx as it is here. So this is the Fourier series in complex form, where the Cn is the complex Fourier coefficient, and this is the expansion of fx in complex form. If fx is a real function, then we can see that Cn and c of minus n, these are the complex conjugates, that is c of n is equal to c of minus n star, that is conjugate of c of minus n. This is it about the complex form of the Fourier series. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep watching.